Good afternoon, YouTubers. Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I have a continuation, and this is also part 3 of the fence rebuild. As you can see, today's part was having to put the brackets in that the kickboard on the bottom and the two rows of support boards go on. And I'm going to bring you up closer and show you the progress that we made so far. Alright, so basically I'm walking towards the right side of the backyard, and you can see here, once I get under the shade, it's going to look better. There we go. All the way down to the left side, right there. And I'll bring you up close. These are the brackets that I was talking about. And these are made for a 2x4, 2x6, and what they do is, you can see from the bottom, there's a shadow there. Alright, it holds the board on the bottom and on both sides. There you go. And for this property, the pickets have to be on the inside. They can't be on the outside. So that's the reason why when you put your support boards there all the way down, you want it to be flush with the 4x4, which is right there. So if you can see down the fence line, you can see that everything lines up damn near perfect, or if not perfect. Alright, and over here in the work tent is my cousin George. Say hi, George.
Hello, everybody.
There's our chop saw over there where we cut all the support boards, and a 2x6 kickboard, which is right there on the bottom, right there. And I'll give you a shot of the span of the fence. As you can see from here, you see everything there. And then from this side, if I get closer to it, everything lines up. Like, you couldn't ask for better. And this is like 55, almost 56 feet of a span for the whole backyard. And this being the last part over here, this is a smaller section. We're going to tie in to this one, and then this fence right here is going to get replaced at some point. And this corner is all crooked. This is the, you can see right there, this 4x4 is way off plumb. So ours is going to be plumb, and then that's going to tie into everything else. And as you can see, for this size picket, 6-foot picket, with support, the way it looks, there's a better picture. Let me get out of the sun here to explain that a lot better, is that the supports are identical in dimensions. The kickboard on the bottom allows you to put the picket higher so you get more privacy. That's a little trick. Instead of the standard 6-foot like that one over there, this one here is probably going to be like 6.5 feet, which is excellent because you have nice privacy, and it's going to be one continuous wall, nice and smooth. Just to give you an idea of what the rest of the fencing looks like, I'm going to crawl underneath this side. I'm going to show you what the rest of the fencing looks like up and down the side of these people's yards. Okay, now look at that mess over there. That is ridiculous. Okay, all the way up. All the fences are either leaning out, leaning in, all crooked. Look at the top of the fence. Look, this one doesn't even have middle support. It's all this miscombobulated. While this one is going to be freaking perfect. Okay, supports are the way they're supposed to be. The 2x4s are on end, so they provide even more support. You got 3 sections to screw in the pickets. These pickets here, even these little ones, come from the factory. 1 nail per picket per support. That is ridiculous. And even the ones that are 6-inch, like that fence that's over there, that fence right over there, 1 nail per picket. I can't believe that. And look at the other fence over there. It's ridiculous. Anyway, this is the right way to do it, people. And if you want to comment below and ask me how I did everything, I'll be more than glad to type you up a step-by-step process on how you need to do it so it comes out looking perfect, looking excellent, and everybody else in the neighborhood will be jealous of your fence. And also, I did it right, like I showed in the other video, with the concrete footing. Okay, get your depth, make sure you mix the concrete, okay, to where it's nice, you know, runny consistency. Fill the holes, and you'll have a strong fence that will last you a good 7 to 10 years, and you won't have to worry about, you know, too many wind events where they can actually make them loose and come off. With our pickets, we're going to put 2 screws per support. That's 2 screws per support board right there on the picket. So each picket is going to get 6 screws, and that's going to be the outdoor screws, the ones that last a long time. Also makes it easier. You need to change out a picket for any reason, zip the screw out, put a new one in place, and keep on moving. Well, there you go, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'll catch you guys on the next one where we've put all the pickets in place and show you the finished product. Thanks, and have a good day.